The world is full of natural wonders, each with its own unique beauty. Here are 25 of the greatest natural wonders of the world, along with a brief description of their beauty. 1. Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, USA. The Grand Canyon is a massive gorge carved by the Colorado River. The colorful layered rock formations and vast size make it a breathtaking sight. 2. Victoria Falls, situated on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The mist created by the falling water creates rainbows, and the roar of the falling water can be heard from miles away. 3. Aurora Borealis. Also known as the Northern Lights, this natural wonder is a display of colorful lights in the night sky. It is caused by the collision of charged particles from the Sun with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. 4. Mount Everest. The highest mountain in the world, located in the Himalayas between Nepal and Tibet. Its height and the challenge of climbing it make it a wonder to behold. 5. The Great Barrier Reef. The world's most extensive coral reef system is located off the coast of Australia. The vibrant colors and diversity of marine life make it a must-see for any nature lover. 6. Yosemite Valley. Located in California, USA, this valley is known for its granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. The natural beauty of the valley is truly awe-inspiring. 7. The Dead Sea. The lowest point on Earth is located between Israel and Jordan. The water's high salt content makes it possible to float effortlessly, and the surrounding landscape is unique and otherworldly. 8. The Amazon Rainforest. The largest rainforest in the world is located in South America. The biodiversity and lush greenery make it a natural wonder. 9. The Baobab Trees. These trees are found in Africa, and their massive size and unique shape make them a wonder to behold. 10. The Maldives. An island nation in the Indian Ocean known for its crystal clear waters and beautiful beaches. The coral reefs and marine life are also highlighted. 11. The Northern Lights. A natural light display that occurs in the Arctic regions. It is caused by the collision of charged particles from the Sun with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. 12. The Matterhorn. A mountain in the Swiss Alps known for its iconic pyramid shape. The views from the top are truly breathtaking. 13. The Giant's Causeway. A natural rock formation in Northern Ireland, formed by ancient volcanic activity. The unique hexagonal shape of the rocks is a wonder to behold. 14. The Blue Lagoon. A geothermal spa in Iceland, known for its bright blue water and relaxing atmosphere. The surrounding landscape of lava fields is also a highlight. 15. The Redwoods. The tallest trees in the world are located in California, USA. The sheer size of these trees is truly awe-inspiring. 16. The Rocky Mountains. A mountain range in North America, known for its rugged beauty and diverse wildlife. 17. The Ha Long Bay. A bay in Vietnam is known for its thousands of limestone islands and islets. The serene beauty of the bay is truly breathtaking. 18. The Iguazu Falls. Located on the border of Argentina and Brazil, these waterfalls are some of the largest in the world. The power and beauty of the falling water are truly awe-inspiring. 19. The Wadi Rum. A desert valley in Jordan is known for its unique rock formations and beautiful desert landscape. 20. The Sahara Desert. The largest hot desert in the world is located in North Africa. The vast expanse of sand dunes and the unique wildlife that call it home make it a natural wonder to behold. 21. The Grand Prismatic Spring. Located in Yellowstone National Park, USA, this hot spring is known for its vibrant colors and large size. The different hues of blue and orange are caused by the presence of different microorganisms. 22. The Cliffs of Moher. These cliffs are located on the west coast of Ireland and are known for their rugged beauty and stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. 23. The Yosemite National Park. This national park located in California, USA is known for its granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. The natural beauty of the park is truly awe-inspiring. 24. The Plitvice Lakes National Park. This national park located in Croatia is known for its beautiful lakes, waterfalls, and lush greenery. The different colors of the water are caused by the varying mineral content. 25. The cenotes. These are natural swimming holes formed by collapsed limestone, found in Mexico. They are crystal clear and offer a unique opportunity to swim and snorkel in crystal clear water. These are just a few of the many natural wonders that can be found worldwide. Each one offers a unique and breathtaking display of the natural beauty that our planet has to offer. From the grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the serene beauty of the Maldives, these natural wonders are truly a sight to behold. For more info, visit our website.